Hi everyone, welcome to Tech, and in this video we're going to be looking at how we can be able to turn off notifications from a particular application. Maybe that particular application just keeps like in the ecosystem you have so many applications, everybody just sending notifications, and you get tired enough, you just want to turn it off. Okay, I'm going to show you how to go about it. Okay, you click on the first thing you do, you click on settings, then you scroll down to notifications, and then you can go down to the notification that you want to turn off. Let's say, for example, you get notifications from Instagram. Okay, the Instagram is just popping up. You just let me just find it here. Yeah, so you click on Instagram, for example, and right here you see allow notifications, and you can just uncheck it. Now you can be posting on Instagram and you're not going to get notifications. Or the only notifications you're getting is the one maybe you go on Instagram and then you're going to see what it is. So obviously you're not going to receive any notifications once you click on this. Okay, so I think it's a really cool feature. Or if you don't want sound, if it comes, you don't want a pop-up sound, and you could actually do that. So right here, this is where you could actually do this from your Instagram or sometimes the application notifications. But the most important thing, the most effective thing is right here on your settings. You can actually turn the notifications off, and as much as possible you could just turn Siri could actually give you some suggestions, like the ones you should allow. You could turn all of them off at once. Siri is going to turn all of them off at once, or you could just right here in Siri suggestion, you can just be turning off each of them that you don't want to have notifications on. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. So please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Okay.